Hello, today is just about Jeremiah. He's having fun on the counter. Let's see how he reacts to the messaging. If that does not fall, we'll be okay. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. I don't know. But anyway, I'll just hold this. Look at that big fat cat. He's really nice. Oh, a little bubble. Oh, man. He's purring so loud. Watch this when I touch his butt. Watch what he does. He likes me to pet him. He's the king of the house. Okay, Jeremiah, I think that's all they want. What a little kissy. Oh. But first, before we go, you see that little cute face when he's looking at something. Oh, look at the mirror. Look at the mirror. I want to see your face. I want to see what you act like when you see your face. Let's see what he does when he sees his face in the mirror. Baby boy, look at your face in the mirror. Oh, he didn't like it. Don't. Watch when I pet him. Watch his butt. Oh, okay, Jeremiah. Didn't want to. Oh, he's acting so cute. Look at his little buttocks. He's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's all for real this time. For real, yeah, Joe. Well, what are you asking? Please, Jeremiah. Please like or subscribe. Please like or subscribe, or leave a comment down below, or talk about Jeremiah in the comments. Yeah. Bye. Oh, you get tired. Have a nice long sleep tonight. Please like and subscribe or leave a comment down below. And if you want me to show Jeremiah and other features. Bye.